Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to sign up, offering a full guide. First, locate the Sign Up button, usually found in the top right corner of the home page. Click this to begin your journey, moving to the initial information form. We will cover each step in detail, ensuring you understand exactly what is needed for a successful registration, making the entire process straightforward for everyone. Before you start, gather your full name, a working email, and a secure password. Make sure your internet connection is stable. This prevents interruptions during the process. Having these items ready can reduce your sign-up time by several minutes, potentially saving valuable time. A strong password should be at least 10 characters long, combining letters, numbers, and symbols for enhanced security. Now, you will complete the registration form by accurately entering your personal details. Pay close attention to fields like your email and date of birth to avoid any errors. Create a robust password that combines uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and at least one special character, ensuring it is at least 12 characters long for maximum security. Finally, accept the terms and conditions to advance. After submitting your form, a verification email will be sent to the address you provided. Open this email and click the activation link within the specified timeframe, usually within 24 hours, to confirm your account. Some services might also send a 6-digit code to your mobile phone for an additional layer of security. Completing this step fully activates your new account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.